Trinamool MP Mahua Moitra has filed a notice of privilege against IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav for what she claims was a false statement on Pegasus. Mahua Moitra says that in that statement, in the past, similar claims were made regarding the use of Pegasus on WhatsApp. Those reports had no factual basis and were categorically denied by all parties, including in the Supreme Court, and this contradicts previous responses in Parliament.
There is a privilege notice against the IT minister by my colleague in Lok Sabha, Mahua Moitra. We are not bothered about suspension, frankly.
People will suspend them.
I want to use Shukendru's line. They will suspend us, people will suspend them.
And Trinamool Congress MP Shantanu Sen was suspended from the Rajya Sabha for the rest of the monsoon session of Parliament, a day after he had snatched the Pegasus statement from IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav in the Rajya Sabha and torn it up as protests continued to disrupt Parliament. Sen targeted the Communications and IT Minister as he was speaking. Now, opposition leaders met the Vice President, who is also the Rajya Sabha chairman, and to move a motion saying,
मेरे साथ बीजेपी के वरिष्ठ नेता विनय सहस्रबुद्धे हैं। आज जिस तरह से सस्पेंड किया गया है शांतनु से, इनको कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, मैंने जो समझा है, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी है। अगर गैर जिम्मेदाराना तरीके से आप हिंसा पर उतारू होकर ऐसा काम करेंगे तो उसकी कीमत तो चुकानी पड़ेगी। संसद की अपनी गरिमा हो।
तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने ये कहा है कि आज लिस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस में शेड्यूल नहीं था, गलत
जो भी था वो नियमों के अनुसार।
And the suspended Trinamool MP also tweeted saying, thanks to Narendra Modi and the BJP government again for suspending me from Parliament in the most unparliamentary way, but be sure that the voice of protest can't be stopped. All right, joining us for more on that big story, we have with us Garga Chatterjee, who's a Trinamool Congress supporter, and Deshratan Nigam, who's taking the other side on this. Garga Chatterjee, let me come to you first. An interesting announcement from the Trinamool today saying that Mamta Banerjee is now going to be the Trinamool's parliamentary party chairperson. Now, she isn't even an MP. Could you help us make sense of this? Is this part of a new strategy for the Trinamool? We've seen Mamta Banerjee positioning herself now on the national stage in her speech on Martyrs' Day as well. What are we to make of this new strategy before we go on to the other things?
See, as the events have been unfolding over the last few days, that the groundswell of anger and resistance against the BJP-led union government, that has to coalesce somewhere. And parliamentary strategy exposing this Hindi imperialist, anti-Bengali, anti-people, anti-India, anti-constitution, anti-democracy government, the burden of it falls on a very experienced shoulder, a multiple-time cabinet minister, a multiple-time MP, a sitting chief minister, and somebody who has taken on the agencies, the RSS, the BJP, the ABVP, the VHP, the MOSHA, and all of the election commission and everything all together. So all of India now can gain from her experience of looking down the eye of brutes and people who have now caused, as Rahul Gandhi rightly said, treason to the people of India.
All right, that announcement also being made by Brapto Basu on a tweet, if we can get that tweet up on our screens, saying Mamta official becomes the chairperson of the Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party. Huge congratulations to one and all. Deshratan Nigam, has the Trinamool effectively become the main opposition party in a sense? Is it certainly positioning itself as that in Parliament? And now the fact that Mamta Banerjee will be sort of spearheading, as it were, the Trinamool's attacks on the government, it's already one of the most vociferous. How do you see this?
Ankita, the principal opposition party would remain the Congress because, one, because of its strength in the Lok Sabha, second, because of its All India presence. And Trinamool Congress cannot be because of the lack of strength also, and also because of their confinement to one state. So these are two principal reasons that answers your question. Secondly, whatever is happening today, she is not even an MLA right now. and therefore she wants to remain relevant in the Indian politics, and therefore come to Delhi, be the head of the parliamentary party, and then always be in the limelight. We don't know when the elections are going to take place, whether she has to resign or not resign. Her, her strategy of creating a council in West Bengal is also not coming through, because it requires, assent of the Rajya Sabha also, and all those issues are there, and therefore what to do, and that's the only thing left for her.
It's a fair criticism. Gargo Chatterjee, I'd like you to respond to that. Mamata Banerjee currently not even an MLA, even though she is Chief Minister of Bengal, and now she seems to be dividing her attentions even further.
This is quite rich coming from the supporter of a party which till very lately used to know election schedules before even the election commission used to publish them. Now they do not know. Look at the innocence that when the elections will be held, BJP is running away from elections. BJP knows it will be buried and cremated if elections happen in Bengal, buried and cremated by democracy, by people's democracy, not by arms.
Let's keep our language parliamentary if we can.
She lost
cremation, which BJP denies to people of India in Uttar Pradesh. But when people of Bengal will give a democracy.
Let's keep it on point, as it were. Today not only was the Trinamool MP. Gargo Chatterjee, let me finish, please. Let me finish. Your Trinamool's MP Shantanu Sen was suspended today for the rest of the Parliament session, and the IT Minister went on to say that there's a culture of violence perpetrated by the Trinamool in Bengal, and it's now bringing that culture of violence here in Parliament as well. Your thoughts on that? Is it parliamentary behavior for a statement to be snatched as a minister is making it?
I am pretty sympathetic to IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. Poor guy does not know he's being snooped by his boss. He's like a Kawali party extra member who has to clap when the two people are singing in the front. So he has to do all this singing. It's not, I'm sympathetic towards him. What Shantanu Sen, what Dr. Shantanu Sen, what ex-president of Indian Medical Association Dr. Shantanu Sen did was to show that this treasonous government is trying to hijack parliament, not discuss treason done by the government. What will the minister do? Say his boss is a criminal? He will not do that. The fact that today such acts have to be done to even bring attention to what is happening is the sad part. And yes, it does not matter if he is suspended, because in any ways in Parliament of India, now division is not even done for passing of bills. Okay. So how does it matter how many people are inside or how many people are outside?
Alright, Deshathan Nigam, do respond to that very quickly, but also on the larger issue of now a privilege motion against the IT minister that has been moved by the Trinamool's Mahua Moitra, who is saying that the minister lied in Parliament.
Ankita, the postponed violence is in front of everybody, and NHRC has given a very, castigating report and very horrific report, and it is in front of the Kolkata High Court, and they are listening the matter. And secondly, let me tell you, the privilege motion can only be at this stage once the truth is established. The truth, I'm not going into the merit. Truth of all speakers is not yet established. I don't think this will pass scrutiny, speakers scrutiny at the first stage itself. So therefore, I think it will be rejected at the first stage itself without even subsequently being referred to a privilege committee or not. Right. So therefore, you only, when, and especially out of misconduct inside the parliament, I'm surprised on Garga. He's defending that misconduct. They could have said, used words, parliamentary languages to snatch and here the paper is not the culture inside the parliament. Yes, some parties do it, but that's not the way you should behave. There are ways of asking questions, but and so far he talks of division. When you boycott, you abandon the parliament, you run out of the parliament, how can a division take place of votes inside the parliament?
All right, we leave it at that for the moment. The monsoon session isn't over, even though perhaps it is for the Trinamool's Shantanu Sen, who's going to be suspended until the end of this session. But no doubt we haven't heard the last of the Pegasus row. Gargo Chatterjee and Deshratan Nigam, thanks very much for joining us.